If for whatever reason you need to find out your Windows version on your PC or laptop, then in this video, I'm going to share with you the fastest way how you can find your Windows version of your PC. So whether you need to know it for installing a game or software or just want to check it before you update your PC or install a new version of Windows, I'm going to show you how to quickly find this. So all you have to do, guys, is press the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and just simple type in about. And you'll see it start to populate and say about your PC. Click on that. It's going to take you right under the system settings where you can scroll down. You're going to find some information about your PC here. So you can see right here about your current computer specs. But if you scroll down, you will find a Windows specification where it will show you the version of your Windows right here. And that's it. You can see when it was installed, the OS build, and you can also find experience right here. So this is it, guys. This is the fastest way you can easily find the version of your Windows 11 PC. Very easy and very simple.